Hello, I'm back with another little behind the scenes video. In this video, I'll be showing you my process to how I created 2 feeder braids. My client is completely natural, so I first started off by parting her hair down the middle. And then I went ahead and I did a light flat iron to get some of the volume out of her hair. I started with the left side first. And as you can see, it took some of the volume out. And next I went ahead and braided it. And the next thing, it shows me using the flat iron comb. And those will be added to my website Friday. And the comb actually helps by opening up the strand so the heat can get through. So you don't have to keep putting all that heat on the client's hair. As you can see, it one pass. That's all it took. This comb is very, very helpful. It opened up the ends of her hair so I can kind of get the ends a little straight. Voila! Flat iron comb and flat iron. Wow, her hair is just growing and growing. Next, I'm about to do the second braid. And voila, finished. I use Ampro Shining Jam, Tropical Roots Mousse, Pump It Up Spritz, and a little heat from the hair dryer, and that's how I was able to set her braids. This style lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. I also went ahead and dipped her ends in hot water. And this is the completed look. 2 glam feeder braids.